up guys, Lita V here, and you're watching Just Lita V. I basically just bought a home gym and I wanted to review it mostly because when I initially was going to purchase this item, I couldn't really find any like good female view perspectives on this particular product, so I decided to just go ahead and make my own little review to help all you guys out in case you're interested in, looking for a very good, high quality gym equipment that doesn't take up too much space and all that. So if you're interested in learning all about the MARCY 150-pound home gym, then keep on watching this video. I'm going to show you. So basically, I have a gym membership, but I find it very hard for me to go to the gym sometimes, mostly because my gym is like all the way across town, and when it's cold and raining and all that kind of stuff, you don't really want to go to the gym. So I was like, you know what, I don't want to make excuses. I'm going to just get me a little home gym equipment situation thing for myself, mostly because I have a problem with like boredom eating and like emotional eating, and I eat when I'm like watching TV and all that kind of stuff. So I'm like, I wanted something like more productive for me to do, so I ended up just buying this home gym. And the reason why I bought this particular one is because, one, I love MARCY. Like, I had a MARCY weight bench. I typically look for MARCY equipment whenever I buy stuff, so I was completely excited when I found this. And it's definitely very, very affordable. I think I only paid $3.99 for this equipment on Amazon, and it came in 2 days, so can't go wrong with that. In terms of like putting it together, I did it all by myself. I'm a very handy person. In fact, I put together basically everything that is at my house. So I'm used to like putting things together, and at first I was a little intimidated because I'm like, this thing is heavy. I mean, just one of the box, like the box with the main equipment was 121 pounds. Then all of my like weights was like 75 pounds each, so this was not light, and I was nervous about putting it together. I'm not really good when it comes to like cables and stuff, but surprisingly it was actually very easy for me to put together. I put it together in like, it took me basically the whole day, mostly because I started putting it together around like 5 or 6 a.m. because I woke up and why not? I was up early, figured might as well get a jump on it. Then I had to take a break to take my kids to school. Then I had to take a break to go pick my kids up from school. So I had to like start and stop a lot. So it took me basically all day, like 8 or 9 hours to put this thing together. But considering I did everything by myself, I mean, that was pretty good job in my book. So yes, it's definitely easy to put together if you can follow directions and understand directions. It's super simple to put together. It may go faster if you have someone to help you, so that's just something to keep in mind. But overall, it wasn't very hard. Like, even the cable part of it was like super easy to like put together. The equipment runs smooth. I love it. I like it. So yeah, enough of me talking about the installation process. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the different things you can do with it and the different attachments that I bought to go with it. So yeah, BRB. hope you guys liked this video. I hope this was a pretty good in-depth review for you on this piece of gym equipment. I love it. I basically use it a lot. I would say if you are gonna get home gym, sorry, my mirror is like bothering me. If you are gonna get like equipment for a home gym, or you're gonna kind of create your own home gym, word of caution, it can be very easy to overtrain, and I don't recommend doing that because that could definitely hinder your progress. Like even for me, I have to remind myself like it's not okay to work out every day, even though it's convenient. I can just, you know, go hit my equipment. I have to give my body time to rest and recover. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope this review was very helpful. If you did find this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos like this. If you guys are interested in seeing me do workouts, giving you guys workout inspirations, typical workouts that I do, then go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Comment down below and say, yes, I want workout videos, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, don't forget that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Alright guys, I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!